Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn about the bar chart in Excel. The purpose of bar chart is to compare values between different groups or to track changes over time. Here in this example, we have considered productivities of 2 employees by month-wise. So, if we want to do some analysis with bar chart, we have to either draw trend or compare both employees. Let's start building this simple bar chart first. Steps: select the range from B8 to N10 and go to Insert and select the 2D clustered bar chart. And apply the formatting tips as mentioned earlier. So here is the final output of the bar chart, and you can see some more examples of bar charts like this. Nice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.